It's been 6 hours since I made the Castile soap. I put in the esky out in the sun, so it's warm up. It's like just like an oven, okay? With an esky without ice, it's just like an oven, okay? So today the weather is around 30 degrees. Out in the sun, it's probably around 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I left it there for 4 hours. Then my mom took the esky in without me knowing. She's moved it. Okay, so I'm not sure. I haven't opened the to check it yet. But after 6 hours, is when I'm checking with you guys. Okay, open up. See wear glove, okay? Yeah, she's moved it and it's leak out. Damn it. Let me check the temperature. It's still quite hot, I can feel it. I'm gonna check the temperature. Right now, outdoor temperature, 25 degrees. Okay, let's see. 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it's still hot, still cooking. Wear gloves, okay? So it's hardened up a little bit. I can feel the heat. It's 45 degrees outside, 44. So I'll keep it insulated. My mom turned it, so it's spilled over here into the soap. Unfortunate, but she didn't spill the rest of it. So it's not too bad. We still can save something. Okay. Okay. So 6 hours in, it's hardened up really good already. But I'll probably leave another 6 hours, 12 hours overnight and see how it goes. Okay. And I'll bring back to you guys. Okay. So this is Castile soap, 100% olive oil. I'll check back to you guys. Say, oh damn it! Look at this. Unfortunate, yeah, unfortunate. Let me move it to the side for you guys. So, unfortunate. There you go. Too bad, hey? Spill a little bit, but it's alright. Okay. Shouldn't have warned her, you know. Unfortunately, yeah, unfortunately. Okay. Okay. My name's Zhao Zhao. I'll see you next time with another video.